Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, you gave Copilot a set of crystal clear instructions and it completely ignored them. You asked for a 50-word summary, it gave you 300 words. You asked for bullet points, it gave you paragraphs. This is incredibly frustrating. This usually happens because your instruction got lost in a long, complex prompt. The AI's context window has limited attention, and if you bury the core instruction under a wall of text, it can literally forget the instruction by the time it reaches the end of your request. The fix is to treat your prompt like a legal document. Put the most important rules first and keep them simple. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to fix Copilot not following your prompt. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get sorted. First and first, put instructions at the top. For example, you wanna get an advice, tap can I get basically an advice on a tricky situation I'm dealing with. This is the answer recommended by Copilot. As for now, put your instructions. Then use the delimiters for multi-step tasks. So I'm talking here for complex tasks, separate the instructions from the data using delimiters like triple quotes or XML tags. This helps the AI clearly distinguish between the rules and the content. You can also go and split the work into multiple chats, check for cookie consent issues, and also reword negative instructions to positive ones. And that's the idea. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.